Hello everyone and welcome to the 5ers weekly analysis. We'd like to remind you all that the 5ers it's a prop trading firm which offer a great opportunity for Forex traders and offer a great growth program that will allow you to become a risk-free traders. If you want to learn more about the program that we offer, you are more than welcome to click inside our website, the5ers.com. And okay, so let's start. I'll start today with the GBPUSD. As you can see, I set it on the 1 hour time frame and mark up two levels below. The first one is this demand that not far from the current price, and the one at the bottom here is the support zone. As you can see, if I zoom out a bit, all right, this is the support. Okay, and that's the demand. And actually what I'm looking for in the GBPUSD is first, and then I'll explain why, but first, after this a significant uptrend, I prefer to sit and wait to see if there is a reversal signal. And the signal for me, the reversal confirmation for me will be only if the price will break out this demand below. If that happened and the price will break out this demand, let's say something like this, all right, I will look for a new price action setup for some reason to sell the GBPUSD. And the reason is that if the price will break out this demand, I believe that the price will tend to reach most likely at least this support here at the bottom. So if that happened, I will look for a sell position and something like new supply or something like this. And I will sell the GBPUSD if I find a good signal for that. The final target for this opportunity will be this support here at the bottom. The reason that I'm looking for a reversal signal is that if we take a look on the daily chart, you can see exactly where the price just blocked. Exactly when the price reached this demand here, sorry, this supply here from the left, that supply most likely holding many unfilled orders, and therefore we already see the reaction from that supply. What we see here is a reaction of a sell orders that waiting for the price from that period of time. All right, so that's why, and that's the main reason that when we were looking on the 1 hour time frame, I say that I prefer to look for a reversal signal, and if that happened, I would prefer to sell GBPUSD at these times. The next is the Euro and the Canadian, and as you can see, also here I just mark up. If we take a look on the 4 hour time frame, the situation is a bit similar to what we saw on the GBPUSD, and also here, as you can see, the Euro and the Canadian just the price just reached this demand level at the first time, and at the same situation as the GBPUSD, I prefer to see if the price will break out this area, this demand, because if that happened, again, it's kind of an indication that the price most likely switch from bullish to bearish, and most likely will tend to reach at least these levels. Okay, now the main reason that I'm looking for this, okay, and I don't think it will be a wise decision to buy at these levels. In my opinion, it's became too risky now. So the main reason that I'm saying what I'm saying now is that if you take a look also here on the daily chart, you can see that it start to look like a double top. Just start to look, but we cannot confirm yet because the double top pattern didn't complete yet. But it start to look. If we get in any reversal signal here from the lower time frame, it's a good confirmation that we have a high probability for a double top, or maybe at least that the price will tend to reach this support here, as you can see. Another reason that this is what I'm looking for, and I believe that the price will create this double top, it's the divergence between the price, you see, the two tops at the same level, okay? And if we take a look on the MACD, you can see the difference. While the price is on the same level, the same height as it was here, you can see the difference between the MACD, the tops that the MACD creates here, and this much lower. So it's kind of another indication that maybe the price is going to stack here at this level, and we're going to see maybe a double top. Okay, back to the 4-hour chart. Just to remind you, this is what we are looking for. I prefer to see this demand broke out. Then I will look for a sell position opportunity, a new supply, and some new candlestick pattern, or any other good signal that will give me a good decision to sell the euro and the Canadian. This is what I'm looking for. And again, the final target will be at least this support here at the bottom, the last low that we saw on the daily chart between the two tops. All right. Next one is the US dollar and the Japanese yen. Okay. And as you can see, we have a very clear and very nice Quasimodo pattern. To remind you, for those who don't know the Quasimodo pattern, it's one of the most powerful and reliable pattern, and it's actually a reversal pattern first. And if we take a look after this nice downtrend, when the price just fall down, the price creates low, then a high, then a lower low, as usually we see in a downtrend. And also all the tops are, each one of them is lower than the previous one. As you can see, one here, this lower from the previous one, and this top is also lower from the previous one. Then the price with one movement, one significant movement, create a higher high. All right, this much higher from the previous top, even from this one. That indicate that the balance between the sellers and the buyers changed, and the price is in a bullish momentum now. Usually the great level to look for position is to wait for the price to retrace and check this Quasimodo level, which is this one. Usually it's also go together with the left shoulder, what we call here, which is the last low, the one before the last low of this downtrend, right? This level, it is the left shoulder, and that's usually that's the right level to buy at this situation. As we can see, also at this level, we also have a demand which is much more important than the left shoulder level. But when they are just combined together, it's excellent. So I will buy this demand if the price will back to this demand, and the final target will be this supply here above. But if the price will reach first the supply, then I'll sell this supply, and the final target will be this demand here at the bottom. Okay, anyway, I will act on the first level that the price reach. I prefer this one. It seems much more powerful, but also if the price will reach first the supply, it's also a good opportunity for a sell position on the US dollar and Japanese yen. So those are the next key levels that I'm waiting for. All right. The last one I choose this week is the Bitcoin, BTCUSD. And as you can see in the 1 hour time frame chart, the price creates very powerful supply here above. You can see this drop of the price till that level. And I believe that if the price already reached this low, it will most likely will try to reach this demand here at the bottom, which is the next level that I believe can stop the price from falling down. So in my opinion, what we see now, it's just the price just calmed down, a technical correction, whatever you call it. And I believe that the price will reach this demand by the end. If the price will retrace to this supply before reaching this demand, it will be a great level for me to sell Bitcoin, to sell the BTCUSD, because this supply seems to hold many unfilled orders. And I still believe that the price still have a room to go down. So I'll sell this supply. This is what I'm looking for. As we can see now, the price just ranging, moving aside on the same range, and it's start to look like a kind of a triangle, a symmetrical triangle, as you can see here. But anyway, this is what I'm looking for. Sell this supply, and the final target will be this demand level. All right, it's a great supply. This supply broke out the last low, and even this one, and even this level. So there is power at this level. Sell this supply and sell the Bitcoin, and the target will be this demand here at the bottom. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for joining us. I would like you to, all of you, if you want to share your idea, if you want to comment to this trading idea that I just show you now, you are more than welcome to show your opinion and to write your opinions also. And thank you for joining us. You are more than welcome to watch this link in the video above about the 5ers growth program. See you the next week. I wish you all a very successful trading week. Bye-bye.